This is literally going to be my 5-minute out the door look. All I've got on is sunscreen and moisturizer, and I'm just going to do a quick makeup because I'm running late. I'm supposed to be at the physio or at the chiro in about 50 minutes. So I've only got max 50 minutes before I have to get out the door, and I haven't had breakfast yet. So it's going to be a car breakfast again today. Oh, I am exhausted. I basically have been working non-stop since 30th of November, vlogging, editing, and living life. And it just hasn't gotten too much, but it just feels like today I'm exhausted. We had the kids' birthdays yesterday. I'll try and insert a little bit of that here, but you would have seen in today's video, or in yesterday's video for you, how I just blew up some balloons and decorated their bedroom door for them as a bit of a treat. Last night we went out to a local bistro, nothing fancy, just thought I didn't feel like cooking dinner. And basically I'm trying to be careful with myself and just not doing too much. What did I do with my bronzer? Put it in the wrong spot. See, when you put things away in the wrong spot, you can't find them when you're in a hurry. So I used the MK Beauty contour stick. Sorry, I'm trying to use the mirror. There. I still haven't replied to comments from yesterday, so I'm feeling a little bit behind. But what can you do? Sometimes you just have to go easy on yourself. You just can't do it all, can you? Okay, so very simple 5-minute look, really is. 8:33 was 36. Well, 3 minutes so far, but I'm pretty much done. And then so a little bit of powder. Actually, my under eyes are looking really bad and puffy, and I just didn't have time to put anything on them, so just have to do a little bit extra there.
You popped the balloon.
Yeah.
And Daisy was still like sound asleep on the bed.
Yeah.
And then she woke up from it and went like,
what was that noise? Yeah, I heard her.
And I'm like, it was just a balloon popping. She's like looking at me like, who do I have to fight? I'm going to fight someone. Who?
I've got a pimple patch under here that I'm just removing from overnight.
Because Dad even noticed it.
Yeah, I know. We're having dinner last night at the restaurant, and my husband looks at me and says, what have you got under your chin? You got a crust stuck there? I was like, no, don't make it so obvious. I've got a pimple. Oh, goodness me. What are you going to do today, sweetie? I'm just vlogging.
They get to see me in my awesome pajamas.
Oh, well, everyone's got awesome pajamas. Sometimes life is not Insta-worthy.
I did nothing except Pilates today.
Pilates, what time are you going?
I think 5.
5? Oh, I just do not have energy for Pilates today.
You're not going?
No, if I'm lucky, I might just do a yoga or stretching in the gym later today after I get all my housework done. The house is just looking really ratty. Okay, I'm actually going to use this blush as a bit of... I'm boring you, am I?
I'm just saying what you got in the admin calendar.
Oh, okay. As a bit of blush, as eyeshadow, just so that it looks quite natural and I look a little bit alert. I need to not put too much makeup on, because otherwise if I put too much makeup on, I look even more tired. So I'm just putting a little bit of highlighter in the corners of my eyes, eyebrow. That is it for today. I'm not even doing eyeliner today. I got these recently from Promedics. They're new eyebrow tint, Prime Brow Tinted Eyebrow Gel, and I really like it. They're the perfect match for my eyebrows, especially when my eyebrows are starting to go a little bit grey and I'm in between getting it tinted. This is the most natural colour for my salt and pepper eyebrows, and it's just so easy to apply. Done. Bit of lip liner, and this is an old, I think this might have been, it's Coffee and Kissy from Morphe. Really, really old, but really, really good. And then I just put a tinted baby lip colour, Maybelline Pink Lolita lip balm. Bring the whole thing together, dab it off on a tissue. Oh, mascara, and I'm out the door. See you later. Hello, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. I'm exhausted. December is always a really busy month for me. I have 2 birthdays, I have an anniversary, I have Christmas, and it's also the end of the year where you're generally tired because, you know, you've had a busy year. So for me, December is always an extra tiring month. Throw in vlogging daily and I just feel like I haven't had a breath this month at all. So today I just feel absolutely exhausted. I found it so hard to wake up and get out of bed. I ended up going back to bed and just sort of sitting down and just watching my favorite YouTubers on YouTube while I had a coffee. But then I had to get up and get ready because I had my car appointment. So I didn't get a chance to stay in bed long. I was up basically by 8 o'clock. So I went to the Caro and had a session with my Caro, and then I came home, and basically what I've done so far is just clean. My house was just a mess. I just could not deal with it. When I get busy, I just don't have the energy to be able to manage the household. And so then what happens if things pile up? And there was no area in my home this morning where I felt at peace. My bedroom was a mess. The sheets needed to be washed. You know, we've got pets that sleep on our beds. So I've got to wash them at least once a week. So they need to be washed. I still haven't made my bed, but everything else is done. My bathroom was looking like a bomb had hit it. I just had products everywhere. The shower, I hadn't cleaned it for a couple of weeks, so it needed doing. My office was just a dumping zone for Christmas presents, for collabs that I needed to unbox and film. My walk-in robe basically had become also a dumping zone where I just got undressed and just hung things up on my rail there that I have in my wardrobe. What else? I think that was it. That was basically, that's what my house looked like. I mean, the living room is tidy, the dining room is tidy. It's just those main thoroughfares, they were just annoying me. It was just too much. And so I took the time to just tidy up today. Hopefully it gives you some motivation to deal with the things that are sort of annoying you in your house, that you sort of let them slide because you're just too tired, but you just take the opportunity to just sort of say, okay, I'll just do 10 minutes. I'll just clean up this area. I'll just clean up that area. It wasn't a major clean. I'm not giving my house a deep clean, but I'm just cleaning up those areas that were overwhelming me. So having said that, there's an ant on the seat. I'm drinking my favorite drink, Zata. I'm wearing a new t-shirt from my merch. I'll put a link up here for you if you're interested. Just bear in mind that the delivery is quite slow on these. I guess it was because leading up to Christmas, it took about a month to come to me. So unfortunately, if you order it now, you won't be able to wear it for Christmas. But it's a lovely sentiment anyway for all times of year. So yesterday was my kid's birthday. I'm not sure whether I showed you the outfit that I wore yesterday all day. I wore the tiger striped dress that I bought with sneakers and a blazer during the day. And then we took Charlotte out for lunch because Isaac was out with his girlfriend. We went out for lunch just somewhere local to celebrate with her. And then we came back and I was just exhausted. I couldn't do anything. I'd had a really bad night's sleep the night before. So all I did was edit today's video and then basically had a rest in bed until it was time to go out for dinner. And then I just changed my shoes, swapped out the sneakers that I was wearing for the slingbacks that I bought from H&M. If I can find a photo of them, I'll insert them here. I'm not sure that I took a photo with the high heels. It just elevated the outfit and gave a second look to the outfit. We went out for dinner somewhere local again. I didn't feel like going too far, and I definitely didn't feel like cooking dinner at home. I knew that I was going to be tired, so we went out for dinner somewhere local, but then I bought a cake to have at home. So we came back home, sang happy birthday and had cake with everyone here. And then basically went to bed and I woke up this morning absolutely exhausted. So I decided to be gentle with myself, and this video is probably not going to be really long because I just don't have the energy in me today to be able to do much with it. I just wanted to clean and get order in my house. And then tomorrow I'll be more refreshed and I'll be able to do something a little bit more exciting than clean my house with you. But if you need some motivation to get some work done around the house, then you'll definitely find it in this video. Dinner is going to be something really simple. I ended up pulling out the tomato sauce that I made last week out of the freezer for Sunday dinner, but we didn't end up having it because we ended up having a antipasta platter. And then we had schnitzel and salad instead. And then we didn't have the pasta. So today I'm going to make the pasta with the tomato sauce, and I might just fry up some beef, minced beef that I have in the freezer, and then turn it into a bolognese sauce for dinner tonight. So that will be nice and easy for dinner tonight. I'm just going to sit here, enjoy a little bit of downtime, drink my drink, and then I'm going to go inside, open the advent calendar, share that with you, edit the video, and then I will say goodbye. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, let's open up day 11 of the Kiehl's advent calendar. And it says, see ahead to brighter days. Well, that's a pretty easy clue, right? I think it might be a vitamin C. It is the powerful strength, line reducing and dark circle diminishing vitamin C eye serum with tripeptides and hyaluronic acid. Okay, I will look forward to using that. I hope this video has been a little bit of a motivational video and a bit of a video to show you that sometimes we all have areas in our lives that just aren't working, and that we sort of have a lot of pressures on ourselves to make sure that everything looks right, but sometimes behind the scenes everything is not 100%. Sometimes, you know, there are corners in your home that just aren't working. They just need a little bit of time and attention. You might be feeling run down, you might feel exhausted like I am at the moment, but do look after yourself, especially at this time of year, whether you have a household to look after, a family to look after, or just living on your own. Do take the time to listen to your body and to just relax if you need to. If you need a day to just sit back, read a book, listen to the wind in the trees, or listen to the birds twittering on a tree, do that. We all need a little bit of relaxation and a little bit of time away from the hustle and bustle of everyday living to recharge ourselves so that we can be the best versions of ourselves to the people that we love and to the society around us, especially at this time of year where you go to the shops and people are frazzled. They can't find the item that they want. They have to go to other shops, and people's patience at this time of year tends to run a little bit thin. So let's us be a beacon of patience in our days and to the people around us by taking care of ourselves and listening to our body when it says, I'm exhausted. I'm just going to take it easy today. I don't have to be superwoman today. If I can just tidy up my bathroom, or if I can just tidy up my kitchen bench, or if I can just change the sheets on my bed, that's enough for today. Hope you're enjoying these Vlogmas. Thank you so much for being here and spending your time with me. I know we all have heaps of demands on our times, especially at this time of year. So I really appreciate you sharing your time with me. Until next time, my friends, which will be tomorrow, I will see you. Bye.